Once upon a time, there was a biotech company called Editas Medicine. It was one of the first companies to use CRISPR gene editing technology to try to cure genetic diseases. Investors were excited and the company raised a lot of money quickly. But over time, Editas failed to deliver on its promises. Its stock dropped, its leadership changed often, and its science didn't move forward as expected. So what happened? Let's find out. In 2013, Editas was started by some of the world's top scientists. They had a big idea to use CRISPR, a tool that can change DNA. CRISPR is like a pair of molecular scissors that can cut DNA at a precise location. With this technology, Editas wanted to fix rare genetic diseases by editing the faulty gene inside the human body. Why were investors excited? Well, first, there was the science. Editas was started by some of the world's leading scientists in the field of CRISPR. This gave investors confidence in the company's technology and its potential to develop new treatments. Second, Editas had the rights to use CRISPR from the Broad Institute, a prestigious research institution. This meant that Editas didn't have to worry about competing companies using CRISPR against them. Third, Editas started by focusing on eye diseases like 𝗙𝗘𝗟𝗟, a form of childhood blindness. These diseases were relatively easy to treat with gene editing, which gave the company a better chance of succeeding. Finally, Editas got early support from big pharma companies like 𝗙𝗙𝗟𝗟. This validation from industry giants helped to build trust and excitement around the company. By 2016, Editas went public with a value over $1 billion, even though it hadn't yet tested a drug in people. This shows just how much hype and potential the company had built up. But then something strange happened. Despite all the promise, Editas ran into serious problems. First, there was a lot of turnover in leadership, which created confusion and slowed progress. Key scientists and executives left the company, including the chief scientific officer and the president. Second, its first treatment 𝗙𝗢𝗓 moved slower than expected through clinical trials and didn't show major results. This made investors nervous, and they began to lose faith in the company's ability to deliver on its promises. Third, Editas got into a big fight with a rival company over who owned the rights to CRISPR technology. This legal battle caused uncertainty and drained the company's resources. Fourth, there was just too much hype around the company. Its high valuation was based on future hopes, not real data. When the hype faded, the company's share price dropped. By 2024, Editas' share price had fallen more than 75% from its peak. So what if AI had been used from the beginning? It might have helped avoid some of these problems. First, AI could have helped set a smarter valuation for the company by running simulations based on real data. This would have given investors a better idea of the company's potential and reduced the hype. Second, AI could have helped track patent risks and legal issues by scanning patent databases and legal documents. This could have given the company early warning signs of the fight with the rival company. Third, AI could have helped make better product choices by analyzing the market and suggesting which diseases to focus on. This could have helped the company avoid the slow-moving trials for eye diseases. Finally, AI could have helped track public hype by watching news, social media, and investor calls. This could have given the company insight into when excitement was getting ahead of reality. By using AI, Editas might have been able to avoid some of the mistakes that led to its downfall. But remember, big ideas in biotech need more than just excitement. They need careful planning and realistic expectations. Hopefully, the next generation of biotech leaders will be able to learn from Editas' mistakes and use AI to help them succeed where others have failed. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.